Hi, Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. I'm going to do a bit of simple stamping. I think some people think, oh my gosh, I've got to buy so much to create. You know, it's just too overwhelming. So I thought I'd go back to basics, do a bit of simple stamping, and pick out one of my favourite stamp sets from the new mini catalogue, which is this one, Label Me Bold, and it's £16, so it's one of our cheaper stamp sets. But the reason why I like this one is you've got some images here that you can use to make backgrounds, and you've got these lovely sentiments, so you can make lots and lots of different cards with it. So it's there on page 36 of this mini catalogue, and it was one that jumped out of me, out at me rather. So I'm literally using some thick Whisper White, cut in half, scored in half, folded in half, and that's my card blank. I'm going to use Night of Navy, so one ink pad, and then I've mounted this stamp here, there's 3 stars, and I'm going for hello. Could have chosen anything, but I'm just going to send this to somebody just to let them know that I'm thinking of them. Okay, so I'm going to get a bit of scrap paper because I'm going to do some stamping off. And what I want to do is create a section that I'm going to stamp into. So I'm going to use some washi tape. I think most crafters have got washi tape hanging around their craft desk. You can use masking tape, decorator's masking tape, but you want to make sure you take some of the tack off. Gosh, I'm finding getting this end quite difficult. And so you can just put it on your clothes a bit. I think this is almost at the end of this roll. I have got drawers and drawers of washi tape. Well, one drawer actually that's full. There we go. So finally got that. So I want 2 strips. Oh, it is at the end. Oh. So I'm just going to put it on my jumper to take some of the tack off. And I'm going to be using a grid mat here to make sure that the card's on there straight, so that I can put this, make sure that's a straight edge. That's a bit of a wonky edge at the bottom there. So I'm going to put this about 3/4 of an inch up and put it across like so. That's now empty, so I need to get another roll of washi tape. Didn't realise we were at the end there. If I've got another roll around my desk, I'll just get a roll. Yeah, so I found another roll. And the thing when you're using washi tape for this sort of purpose, or sticking dies down on your cutting plate, really doesn't matter what it looks like. And so getting ones from bargain buckets when you go around craft stores, quite good. You can often get them for not very much money at all, 50p, 25p, 4 for £1, and it's ideal to get them then. So I'm kind of leaving, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inch and a half, going on about an inch and a half up there. Excuse me. And so then that's the bit I'm going to stamp on. So we are creating a nice little barrier. So I'm going to ink this up and I want to stamp it off, and then I'm going to stamp it on a few times. And start somewhere different. So I'm creating this sort of background with this, where you might have put a strip of DSP if you're just building up your collection of products. You might not have much paper, so gives me a nice bit of background. Go along the edge there. There, building up the colour until you're sort of happy with it. And then I use a chamois to clean my stamps. You can just use a wet cloth, a flannel or something that's wet. And then I'm going to take the stars and I'm going to use those full strength and just randomly stamp them over, which is why I stamped off in the first place, so that these would stand out. And I just think this will make a nice pattern. You've got to be careful that you don't do what I've just done. I've noticed I've done a little smudge, but I'm not going to worry about that at this stage. That's because I let my finger drop on the washi and it will be quite inky on there. No, I'll just put a bit up there. And that's that. With that clean. Didn't clean that very well. Clean off my finger as well, I think. And then we'll just gently peel this off. And so if you hadn't taken some of the tack off, you've got the danger of it pulling the card off. I'm throwing it away because it's got ink on it. When I use it to hold things in place, I just stick it to the cupboard front here and I use it again. Now I have got, this is allegedly an ink eraser. Which isn't brilliant. But it's taken enough off. There we go, that's worked. And then I just want to put my sentiment, and I'm just going to put it, do a practice, just going to put it down there. And there we have it, a really simple card, 1 stamp set, 1 ink pad and a bit of stamping. So you don't have to fork out very much to do that. And you can change it up, so you've got lots of sentiments to choose from. So you could have, that could have been congratulations, happy birthday, well done, thank you, for you from me, hello. So you've got 7 sentiments that you could have chosen from to make that card. So yeah, nice bit of quick, simple stamping. Hope you like that. All the details will be on my blog, Nigezza.co.uk. Should be a link coming up there. Please like and subscribe. Go and explore some more, and I'll be bringing you some more simple stampings very soon. Okay, bye for now.